Alright, this is the other one. Flagstaff Super Lite Forest River. Big. That is a huge pass-through storage. Nice. That's 2 doors. 2 axle. Ooh, look at that. Nice stabilizers there. Is this over 30? I'm not sure. This is a 26 SRD. 26 SRD. Scan that QRF. And this is the so that's 2 slides, dinette in the rear. This is probably one I'm not going to like, but let's see if you like it. It has a pass-through right there. Not pass-through, but a storage. It might be pass-through to the other side, maybe. 2 solid steps. These high-speed new railings, which are nice. Alright, let's take a look around. Pantry, nice. Pass-through bathroom. Okay, let's check this out. So in this one, they have the dinette in the rear. It looks like a U-shaped dinette. But when it's a U-shaped dinette, look, you put one there, there's no room for 4 people there. There's no room for 6 people there. 2, because you're going to have to go all the way to the edge. It's tight there on the bottom. But it has a telescoping, which is pretty cool, but it goes straight down. But I don't know if you can take it out. It's there permanently, so you can put it straight down and go straight back up. And then they have shelves on the side and surrounding windows. You got windows on the cam side, rear, and on the back side, which is nice. Look at that detour. Oh. Detour. That's nice. Outlet, USB, USB-C. Outlet, USB, USB-C over there. Cool. I actually don't mind it. It's okay. And then you have your recliners, which I like. Mega storage in here for your remotes, cup holder. View to the rear, and view to the back side. The view to the other side of the campsite view. This is a refrigerator that opens on both sides. See that? Nice. And refrigerator. Nice. Check out the kitchen. Oh, forgot the pantry. Let me get that pantry first. Yes, nice, nice. Not deep, but you got some. Ooh, extension. Look at that. It's not flush, but it's nice. Something. When you're doing your dishes, this will come in handy. You have your thermostat right there. Outlets. Ooh, look at this backsplash. Looks cool. I like it. Oh, yeah, it goes all the way to the other side. Nice. I like that. And you got 3 drawers here. Oop. No, that's a sponge one. Drawer and drawer. So you got 2 drawers and a sponge. That's nice. Ah. Ooh, that's a little flat, but put some stuff there. But look at that. Let me sit down for a little bit. Look at that fireplace. You don't see the long ones anymore. You don't see the long ones at all. And what I mean by long is straight up and down long. It's nice. It would be nice if it was a little bit more square, and you can have a nice little, a bigger drawer there. That drawer right here is very, it's not deep. Oh, you got your TV right there, microwave. Man, did I get those drawers up there? Let me get those. Yes, nice. 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 Typical microwave, range hood, typical RV oven, stove and oven. Cool. Let's take a look in the inside bathroom. This side has a door, and then you had your linen closet. Ooh, you got some space here too. That's good. They didn't just close that whole area. They gave you a little space to put stuff. And this area again, which is nice, smallest thing. You got room to put stuff, and you have a nice little medicine cabinet right there. Outlet right there in case you need it. The bathroom there, plenty of leg space. And that's your shower. Shower miser. Oh, this thing's big. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice and wide, I think. Wider than ours, I believe. And you got this triple glass door thing. Ooh. Usually they don't put a drawer on this side because of the slide. Probably doesn't. Oh, it's not. It's just a cubby hole. Gotcha. Some outlets on that side. USB, USB-Cs. And this is probably a drawer. Yep. Nice. And plenty of room to put stuff. You know, being held open by itself. Being held open by itself. It's the same on the other side. I couldn't tell you if that was a Queen or RV Queen signs. You guys are going to have to look that up. Got a little bit of space there. And then nice two big drawers right here. And then you have your slide closet. And your wardrobe. This is where you put your TV at, thermostat, solar controller right there. Nice. Let me try to get you some views. That's the views from the bathroom to the bedroom. And if you turn around, this is from the door. Cool. I like it. Open these up, let me see. Yep, same thing. Solid. They stay open too. Cool. I like that. Plenty of counter space. Yeah, I kind of like this one. Dinette I can do without, but it is what it is.
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.